In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize a PDF image in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. If you've ever found yourself needing to adjust the size of an image within a PDF document, you're in the right place. We're going to walk through this process step by step, ensuring that by the end you'll be comfortable resizing images directly within your PDFs. Whether you're preparing documents for work, study, or personal projects, this skill can be invaluable. First, you'll need to open your PDF file in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Once you've launched the program, navigate to your file by selecting File from the top menu and then Open. Locate your document on your computer and double-click to open it. With your PDF now in view, let's move on to the editing process. Next, move your attention to the top toolbar and click on Edit. This action will reveal a series of editing tools, one of which allows you to manipulate images within your document. Make sure to focus specifically on identifying the images you want to resize within the page layout. Now that you have the editing tools at your disposal, proceed by selecting the image itself. To do this, simply move your cursor over the image, click on it, and you should see a border with corners highlighted around it. These corner handles are what you'll use to resize the image. To begin resizing, go ahead and hold the corner handles. Click and drag these handles to adjust the image's size. If you drag towards the center of the picture, it will shrink. Pulling outward will increase the size. This straightforward dragging action allows for flexible sizing adjustments, tailored to fit your specific layout needs. During this resizing process, you may want to ensure the image maintains its original aspect ratio, which keeps the proportions of the height and width intact. To achieve this, hold down the Shift key while dragging the corner handles. This keyboard shortcut is crucial for maintaining a professional appearance, avoiding any unwanted distortion that could arise from resizing freehand. Remember, as you make these adjustments, periodically release the mouse to see how the new size looks and fits within the document's format. Once you're satisfied with the image size, you can move on to saving your updated document by clicking on File and then Save. Congratulations, you've successfully resized an image within a PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This process showcases just one of the many powerful editing capabilities of Acrobat Pro DC. It exemplifies how you can efficiently modify your documents with only a few simple steps, highlighting the importance of familiarizing yourself with such tools. Thanks for watching, and I hope you find this tutorial helpful in your future projects.